welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video. So as you guys saw in the previous clippings, I had been to Forever 21 recently and I picked up a couple of stuff. So I did try a lot of outfits, but the fitting wasn't great, but still I managed to pick up a couple of things. So I'll quickly show you guys whatever I bought. So the first up is this denim ripped high-waisted shorts. It has a couple of rips on the thighs. I've never owned a ripped shorts before, and that's why I was excited about this one. So when I saw this, I was like, you know what, I think I need to have it because it's a great piece to pair it up on casual days, and also it's a great pair to take it on a holiday. Since it's high-waisted, I can pair a lot of bodysuits with this, and I can also wear it in winter with, you know, a pair of stockings or something, and probably pair it with a sweater on top, and it'll look really good. And now that we, you know, transitioning into fall and then winter, I think this is like a great pair of shorts. I can use it like for most of the seasons. It so happened that they didn't have my size, so I landed up picking a size bigger. But then because it's high-waisted, I don't think, you know, it's a big problem. I can always secure it with a waist belt. I picked it up for rupees 600, which is totally worth it because the quality of the denim is really good. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna last me at least for 3 to 4 years. And the next up is this plain black sleeveless dress that I picked up almost like at the last minute. I was almost at the billing counter and then I happened to see this popping out of one of the racks, and I was like, wait, let me just go see what it is. And then it happened to be this Chinese collar sleeveless black dress, which I really love. It's a great dress because you can dress it up by wearing a lot of statement necklaces or, you know, even boho style jewelry, and you can dress it down by just wearing this with a pair of sneakers or something, and it turned out to be extremely casual. And it's black. Black is my favorite color, so I had to pick this up. And to top it all, it was on sale. There was flat 40% off, so the MRP was $1,000 and I picked it up for $600, which I think is a steal. I know that a lot of you guys message me saying, why don't you tell me about these sales and deals when it happens, because by the time I film this video and it goes out there and you guys watch it, it's going to be really late. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is my handle here, so make sure you follow me here because I'm trying my best to keep you guys updated with all the discounts and stuff. So don't forget to follow me there so that you'll instantly be updated if there are any sales happening. So yes, this dress, it's something that can be worn in summer, fall and winter, just like how I told that, you know, with the shorts you can wear stockings. I think even with this you can wear a pair of stockings inside and wear it in fall and winter, and you can also pair it up with a lot of vibrant colorful jackets, or you can also pair it up with a leather jacket. So I think it's such a versatile piece. It can be paired with most of the things. And the next up and the last one that I have is this off-shoulder stripes top. I received like tons and tons of compliments for this one. Like when I posted this picture on Instagram, all of y'all messaged me saying, oh my god, where do you get such stuff? It's really great. You know, where did you pick it up and all of that. And the most unique thing about this top was that it came with this choker and it was attached at the back of the top. So I just wanted to cut that off and make it into a separate one because, you know, probably I can pair this with a few other t-shirts. So I just wanted to remove it off out of this. But I really love this new trend where, you know, they're actually giving matching chokers with these off-shoulder tops. I picked up this one for 550 rupees. And if you don't want it to be an off-shoulder top, you can just raise it on top and it'll become like a crop top. So it's like a 2-in-1 top. So probably when you're wearing shorts or something, you can just raise up your sleeves and wear it like a crop top. And probably when you're wearing pants, you can just slide it down and make it off-shoulder top. This is one of the favorite things out of whatever I bought. So the next up is this black sling bag that I bought. For this I paid around 600 rupees and I think it's totally worth it because I can always detach this leather string and I can make it into a clutch. I can carry on those days when I'm planning to dress up really elegant and formal and all of that. Otherwise, on a daily basis, I think I can carry this everywhere because it makes for a perfect casual handbag. And I was looking for really something small because I already have a big one and I didn't want to carry that everywhere. It actually looks really small small, but it can accommodate a lot of things. I literally put my phone, my wallet, 2 pairs of keys, and a bottle of hand cream, plus my lip balm and lipstick and all of that. So I think it's extremely spacious, but it looks small, which is a great thing. So that ends today's haul. So I just picked up these 4 things after trying like I don't know how many outfits. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a video. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates from me, and also if you have any video suggestions, make sure you comment down below. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh god, why am I feeling so thirsty? So one of the main reasons why I love this top is because it came with this it came with this choker. So as you guys saw in the previous clippings, I recently went to H&M. Oh, I went to Forever 21, not H&M. Monday morning and I'm feeling so sleepy, you guys. So I had to pick up a size smaller, not smaller, bigger. Ouch. Ow. What's the time? Shit. Hurry up.